I had marinated my tilapia. I'm so excited that actually I was able to find this fish here. And so I'm going to put it in the oven. I have seasoned it so well, and I have put those so that it doesn't get stuck on the pan. And I'm going to put it in my preheated oven for 400 degrees, 400 and for 30 minutes, 400 Fahrenheit and 30 minutes. See you. So guys, these are some of the spices I used to season. This is ground turmeric, there's coriander, there's this, I don't know what we call it, malt. This is cayenne pepper, cardamom. Then there's this is a little bit chili, but it's very delicious, guys. Then we have the black pepper, paprika, this is, and then after mixing them, I had cut my tilapia into like I had made some lines or pieces in between, and then I mixed with this. After 30 minutes, I think my fish is ready. Even my oven has gone off. Ooh. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Wow. Look at this. My God. Jeez. So guys, after 30 minutes, my fish is ready. The rest of the things I didn't want to eat them actually. I was just putting them there to add some flavors. And yeah, see you in my next one. I think I'm gonna serve myself. And yeah, see how this feels. Oh my God, guys, this is delicious. Remember I had put some lemons inside to add the flavor, so I'm just gonna remove them. And as you can see, this looks delicious, guys. Look at this. It's very nice. Bye guys, it's time to eat. My meal is ready.